Good morning. I am going to Block Island today. I am going to Block Island today, and I'm super excited because I've only ever been once in my life, and that was like 2 years ago. So I'm getting dressed now. I have this bikini on, and I'm trying to decide what to wear because at the same time I want to be like really comfy. I'm gonna be walking around all day. I also want to give off coastal granddaughter vibes and be stylish. What's a girl gonna do? All right, for my outfit, I settled on this sundress. Oh, that was really awful camera angle. That's my bad. This sundress. All right, I'm a little stressed because I'm running a little late, but I have to pack. I'm gonna pack. Okay, this is the beach bag I'm bringing. It says my name on it, and I love it. It's so big and it's perfect. It's from alllll. And then this is the spread. And then I have my Stanley. Oh, and that's my fish. And this is a reminder that I actually do need to feed my fish. So I'm just gonna do that really quite quickly. There you go. Life hack, get a fish because I love my fish. I think I may bring 2 books because I think I might finish one. All packed and like I feel like I'm not packed. Like, oh, I feel like my bag's gonna be too heavy for me to carry around, and I feel like I'm forgetting stuff. It's 8:05. We're leaving like any minute now. My mom had to drop my brother off somewhere, so she's coming back to pick me up, and I'm bringing these overnight oats with a peach on top for breakfast in the car. I'm super excited. We made it to the ferry, but it was a really, really close call by like 5 minutes. But now we're on and we're passing really nice, we're passing docks and really nice houses. Imagine if I dropped my phone. We made it! We're at the visitor center right now, and my mom is grabbing a tourist map. I think that concessions are down that way. I think.
all good today.
We made it to the beach. Bye, beach. We're leaving the beach. We're now just doing a little shopping. I haven't gotten anything though, but we're just looking around. We are back on Point Juliet. Thanks for watching. Bye.